Hello, my name is Chris Geary, and as you may know, myself, along with Debbie Santucci, are responsible for collecting feedback from recreational sports participants and employees. Coming up in the next couple of weeks, we are excited to be launching the Hourly Staff Feedback and Satisfaction Survey. We wanted to take just a few minutes to explain how this process will work this year. Our main goal for this survey is to look at your total experience as a recreational and sports employee. We want to know what you've learned through your employment with us. Does your job responsibilities align with what you experience on the job, and how can we better prepare you for those responsibilities? How effective are your unit staff meetings? What have your interactions with your supervisor been like? And what has been the effectiveness of the feedback process, whether that means mid-semester monitors, on-the-job coaching and mentoring, or any of the other ways that your supervisor provides coaching and mentoring to you to help you improve your performance? For employees who were hired within the last year, we want to hear about your experience with the hiring process and learn more about your initial training and how it prepared you to be successful at your job. Our goal is for every recreational sports employee to complete a survey for each unit that they work in. To ensure this happens, all employees will clock in while taking the survey, so you'll be paid for your time. Therefore, we expect a 100% response rate. This information is extremely important to us, so it's vital that we hear from everyone in order to validate the results. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about how this will work. You can either complete the survey before you start your shift or at the end of your shift. So that means that you will have permission to clock in approximately 15 minutes prior to your normal clock in time or stay approximately 15 minutes after your actual shift time has ended. We would ask that you fill out the survey for the unit for which you're working. So for example, if you work in 2 units, say you're a strength and conditioning consultant and a team leader. So we'd ask you to fill out the team leader form while you're clocked in as a team leader, either at the beginning or the end of that shift. And then the next time you work as a strength and conditioning consultant, clock in early or stay late to fill out the strength and conditioning survey. Remember, you will be paid for taking the survey, and your participation is expected. We understand that not everyone may be scheduled to work during the survey administration period, so what we're asking is that you stop by either building when you're there for either class or you're coming to work out, clock in for the unit that you're completing the survey for, take the survey, and then clock out. We understand that at certain times of day there are going to be a lot of staff clocking in and out at any given time. So to facilitate this, we're going to have a bank of computers outside the clock-in room, outside of SRSC 115, kind of the tables where the employee appreciation food is usually stationed. And then in WIC, we're going to have some stations set up either inside or outside room 08G down by the women's locker room. So you can complete the surveys at either one of those 2 stations. Thank you in advance for your feedback and participation in this program. The information that you share with us will be used to improve hiring, training, and evaluation processes and the overall employee experience with recreational sports. Thank you.